Do you want to become a PRC-accredited real estate salesperson but feel confused about the process? Here's the good news. Salesperson do not need to take a licensure exam. Today, I will walk you through the step-by-step PRC walk-in application process. Before we begin, here are a few important reminders. A real estate salesperson does not need to take an exam. Accreditation is done through PRC walk-in filing, and you must have a supervising licensed real estate broker. Without a supervising broker, PRC will not accept your application. Step 1, check your eligibility. So this is what you need to do before going to PRC. You must be a Filipino citizen with at least 2 years or 72 units of college education, any course, with no criminal record involving moral turpitude, a completer of 12 credit hours of real estate brokerage seminar, must be under the supervision of a licensed PRC real estate broker. So even if one of these is missing, PRC will reject your application. And then step 2, prepare all required documents. Bring the originals plus the photocopies of each document. So you will need a PSA birth certificate, PSA marriage certificate for married females only, a notarized certificate of educational attainment showing at least 72 college units, valid NBA clearance for local employment, a certificate showing 12 credit units notarized, a photocopy of your supervising broker's PRC ID and license with 3 specimen wet signatures, community tax certificate or cedula, 1 passport-sized photo with white background in business attire with full nameplate, duly accomplished PRC application forms, Annex A, Annex B, and Annex C. Documentary stamps worth 30 to 50 pesos. A certification from your supervising broker stating the real estate company where you are authorized to practice. Make sure all forms are completely filled up and signed before submission. Step 3 is to personally go to the PRC office. You may go to the PRC regional office or the PRC central office at Limkitkay Mall for those based here in Cagayan de Oro. Purchase documentary stamps if you do not have them yet, then proceed to the application or accreditation counter. Inform the staff that you are applying for PRC accreditation as a real estate salesperson. The PRC staff will review your documents and conduct a pre-evaluation. If everything is complete, you will be issued a queue number for payments and releasing. Step 4 is payments. For Cagayan de Oro, the accreditation fee is around 450 pesos only, subject to change. Always keep your official receipts. And then step 5 is final submission and acceptance. So after payment, submit your complete application folder. PRC will officially accept your application. You will be advised to wait for PRC board approval. Approval is not released on the same day. Step 6 is wait for the PRC board resolution. Processing usually takes several weeks. In Cagayan de Oro, it takes around 3 weeks. So once approved, your name will appear in an unofficial PRC board resolution confirming that you are now an accredited real estate salesperson. Congratulations. So you may check PRC bulletin boards, PRC website, or wait for their email notification. And then step 7 will be oath taking and registration. So the final step is the oath taking and registration. This will make it official. So once approved, attend the PRC oath-taking ceremony either in person or online, sign the registry of real estate salespersons, apply for your PRC accreditation ID. This usually takes months or over a year to get released, but you can already start practicing once oath-taking is completed. So to summarize the process, first is check your eligibility, complete all required documents, submit your application through walk-in filing, pay the required fees, wait for PRC board resolution, attend the oath-taking, and receive your PRC accreditation ID. Once these are completed, you're officially a PRC accredited real estate salesperson. If you need help in finding a supervising broker, CPD provider, or guidance in starting your real estate career, send me a message on WhatsApp so we can discuss on how our team can help you get started with your real estate career. See you in the next video.